I just can't believe that today, when there are so many people who want to learn how to take advantage of the unstoppable growth and opportunities of the work from home online jobs, there are actually so many online courses that promise a lot and then give almost nothing at all. Do you know why people don't really learn from them? Because of the lack of real and practical on-the-trenches experience and the low professional level of the people who run these programs. That's all. I have learned how to make money from home creating my own online business in 3 months without having any previous experience or knowledge, not because I am a very smart guy, who I'm not at all, but just because I have discovered an online education platform with the best programs and mentors in the digital marketing. This organization has more than 10 years of experience and tens of thousands of members from all over the world, and it's associated with companies like LinkedIn Learning or Digital Experts. They taught me how to start my own online business from scratch in a very practical and efficient way. Imagine that everyone has been eating soup with a fork all their lives. And suddenly one day you discover that there was a spoon. That's what they taught me in the free video series that I'm going to send you if you click on the link below. They explained to me which is the spoon to learn the necessary skills and knowledge in much less time and through the best experts in the world. So, if you are interested in knowing what is the right formula in the post-pandemic world to learn how to make money working from home or wherever you want, creating your own profitable online business from scratch, click on the link to enter your contact details and you will immediately receive the same free video series that has changed the lives of thousands of people in the last months.